So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today I'm going to share another coupon about this Java Bootcamp course. So this course title is 2024 Core Java Bootcamp from 0 to Hero. So in this course you can learn fundamental of Java and the conceptual understanding of ops concepts and how to understand and write simple Java programs, and practice exercise to strengthen your code knowledge. These are the some of skills you can get after completing this course. So this course time 15.5 hours on demand in video, and you also can get a certification by Udemy after completing this course. So this coupon is only valid for first 1,000 students who are enrolling this course using this coupon. And I am not the only one who are sharing this coupon, therefore make sure to enroll with these courses using this coupon immediately, because so many students trying to enroll with these courses. So let's see guys how to get this course for free of charge. First of all, you need to copy the link. Link I will put in the comment section. First of all, you need to copy the link, and also you can copy the code. This is the code. So the code also I will put in the description, so you can copy the code, but I am recommending to copy the link and then go to your Udemy account. So you can see now I am logged to my Udemy account. Then you need to open a new tab and paste that link, press enter. So you can see guys, after that our course getting free. So hit the enroll now button. So my total is $0, so I am hitting enroll now button, and you can see guys, now I can access to this course content for free of charge. So that is how guys entering the method of entering into this courses for free of charge. So guys, make sure to subscribe and follow for more videos, because I am going to share plenty of these kind of coupons in future. If you missed this chance already, don't worry, there are plenty of courses available in future. So make sure to keep in touch with our latest videos. So thank you.